Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 2 East Main Street in the Village of Victor.
This is a landmark commercial building in the Village of Victor that has been totally updated to perfection and has 4 cash flowing units.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This first floor commercial space is currently rented to an exceptional restaurant. This amazing walkout lower level has 5 spacious rooms for a business. This commercial building has 2 amazing apartments on the 2nd floor. Each unit has 2 bedrooms and a bath. The Village of Victor is a great location, whether you do business or live here. With easy access to Eastview Mall, Rochester, and Canandaigua.
Could you imagine investing here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2 East Main Street in the Village of Victor.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home, waterfront, and commercial specialist worldwide.
Cheers to investing here!